Today's sticky note fact is that Wi-Fi was invented by accident during a failed experiment to detect black holes. In 1992, an Australian scientist named John O'Sullivan and his team were working on an experiment to find tiny black holes. Although the experiment didn't succeed, the technology they developed to detect signals led to the creation of Wi-Fi, which we use every day. Fun fact: the word Wi-Fi doesn't actually stand for anything. It was chosen because it sounds like hi-fi, a term used for high-quality audio equipment. How would your life be different without Wi-Fi? Can you think of other inventions that were created by accident? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.